Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to autocomplete orders from WooCommerce. Usually, if you're selling virtual products or downloadable products, you don't need to have the product order. Like the status, it shouldn't be staying as processing, and it makes sense to be complete so WooCommerce can send the downloads to your customers. But if you're selling physical products, then it doesn't make sense. So autocomplete orders make sense only for virtual and downloadable products. Since version 3 of WooCommerce, you can just add this filter to your functions.php, or if you have a custom plugin that you use to customize the WordPress site. It's easy. I know it's super easy to add stuff to your functions.php, but if you change the design, that additional customization will get lost, or you have to copy and paste it into the new functions.php. So it's better to use a custom plugin that contains that information, that you can, the customized codes that you used. So that's one solution, and another solution is to use the autocomplete WooCommerce orders by Liam MacArthur, and yeah, we'll be good to go. So get this, copy and paste in either in the current themes, functions.php, or the custom plugins that you may have. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day. Bye.